Hello friends, I'm here again with my unique style soup recipe, which is not only healthy but filling too. It's perfect for weight loss and fit into Slimming World recipes as well. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. For this you need a pressure cooker or a deep pan, and then add a tablespoon of oil of your choice. I'm using desi ghee. Once the oil is hot, add diced tofu or paneer pieces. I'm using paneer pieces. Paneer pieces is also called Indian cottage cheese. If you're using tofu, make sure it's firm. Add them on hot oil and saute them for a few minutes. Now I'm adding some spices. This is half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt, mix and transfer in a plate and keep it aside as we will use this at the end. Now in the same pan, I'm adding 3/4 can of chopped tomatoes. While cooking tomatoes, we have to make sure that all the water is absorbed. On the other side, I'm going to prep the second main ingredient, which is rice. I'm using half a cup of rice. You can use any type of rice you like. I'm using Sela rice. You can do basmati rice as well. I have washed them thoroughly 2 to 3 times, and now I will add these once the tomatoes are properly cooked. As you can see, they are cooked very well and all the water is gone. Now I'm going to add roughly about 5-6 glasses of water, which is equivalent to 1.5 liter water. Don't worry, as this will give you nearly 4 to 5 servings. Now add salt to taste, but remember we did add half a teaspoon of salt to the tofu, so make sure you adjust it according to your taste. And then add the half a cup of rice that we already washed. Now it's time to pressure cooker it for about 20 to 25 minutes. However, if you don't own any pressure cooker, you can also use a slow cooker, which will obviously take longer than the pressure cooker. Or if you're using an open pan, you can boil it open, but you have to boil it for about 1 hour or until you have the consistency that you like. After 25 minutes, I have opened the pressure cooker and this is the consistency I've got. It's a perfect for soup, and if you want it slightly thicker, you can boil it a little longer. Now it's time to add the tofu or paneer that we prepped at the start. Let it simmer on low heat for a few minutes so that all the flavors settle down and the soup is ready to serve. I will be garnishing with some fresh chopped coriander and enjoy. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified for my future videos. Until then, see you next time.